In this tutorial, I will explain how you can turn your photo into a Scribble Art. I will be using LunaPic, which is completely free to use as there aren't any watermarks or other caveats. Start off by going to the official LunaPic website. I included the link to it in the description box if you can't find it. From there, upload your photo to the editor. Next, you need to hover the mouse cursor over to the Art tab. You should then select Scribble from the drop-down menu. Once the filter has been applied, you can click the Download Now link if you are satisfied. If you want to make additional adjustments, then you can use the slider above the image. If your photo is too big to fit the screen, you can click the square on the slider, scroll down, and then use the left and right arrow keys on the keyboard to adjust the strength of the filter. You can also check the Keep Your Colors option if you want to retain the original colors. Furthermore, you can check the Animate option if you want to turn your photo into an animated GIF. Once you are ready, click the Download Now link. If this tutorial helped you out, then you can support this channel by clicking on the like button.